Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to use our free sitemap tool to build a sitemap from a small website using website scraping. Now this is a very easy tool to use, and typically it's used for websites that are smaller, so this is a good way to build a sitemap from a website of a small business. Now as you can see, I've already pasted a URL into the URL box, and that's what you're going to want to do first. But then you can enter the number of pages you want it to scrape. The maximum is 1,000. So then you're going to click Generate Sitemap. And now generate the sitemap, and you can click Copy. And now to put this sitemap into your project, you're going to want to click on Data in your project settings, and then you can paste your sitemap into this URL box right here, and you can click Add Sitemap. Alright guys, I hope you found that helpful. If you have any questions, please post them in the comments. And yeah, take care.